Hey, I'm William. Today I'm going to show you how to check the tub drain port on a Maytag washer that isn't draining. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll need channel lock pliers, a towel, and a 5/16" nut driver. Always unplug your appliance before you do any work on it to protect yourself from electric shock.
Don't forget to turn off your water supply and unscrew your hoses from the washer. You might need a towel handy to clean up any unwanted water.
If your washer is full of water, take out as much of it as you can. You'll want to get a large tub or several towels to catch any leftover water once we start digging into this washer.
Next, we can tilt the washer or lay it on its back, as we did here, to access the other side of the internal drain hose.
We're going to use the channel lock pliers to move the retaining ring up the internal hose just a bit.
Now we can disconnect the hose from the drain pump. Also make sure you have a towel nearby to catch any water that could possibly leak out.
Now we will need to use the 5/16" nut driver to remove the drain pump mounting screws.
There are 3 total screws holding this drain pump together, so make sure you get all of them.
We're checking the tub bore for any clogs. Washcloths and children's socks can get stuck in there and prevent the drain pump from pushing water out. My kids' socks are constantly getting left in the laundry, so checking in my wash tub is a common thing for me. If something is clogging this area, let's clear it out. If not, there may be something else preventing the washer from draining.
Once you're done, reinstall the drain pump, connect the drain hose, and lift the washer so it can go back on its base. Don't forget to plug your washer back in, connect the water hoses, and turn your water supply back on.
If your tub bore is good, you can check out our other troubleshooting guides to find out what might be preventing your washer from draining. We've got thousands of videos to help you diagnose your appliances and make repairs. Make sure to let us know how the repair went in the comments. If you like this video, let us know by hitting the like and subscribe button.